Is spline wear a problem that you have with your equipment? Here we have an example of a spline that is worn on the teeth flanks. Typical spline connections are the male and female sliding fit, like shown here. Here at OEM Dynamics we've come up with the CLAMPLOCK innovation, which clamps on the spline and eliminates any clearance between the male and female splines and removes the chance of wear and tear on the external surfaces. The clamp block is easily adjusted or tightened using the 2 bolts on the side, and when fitted correctly and at the required torque, there is no more movement in the spline. A popular application where you'll see our clamp block innovation is in mobile hydraulics, or more specifically in drivelines on garbage trucks, cement mixers, any unit that requires hydraulics. These companion flanges are used extensively to couple live PTO drives through to hydraulic pumps, as are the clamp yokes like these, available in Spicer Series 1310 and 1350, but also manufactured for smaller or larger series drivelines as required. As we do all manufacturing here in-house, we can design and adapt any of these components to meet your requirements.